friends of the twins, and welcome back to our channel. This is Rhonda, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing a complete empty house tour with you. Now, first of all, let me say happy Sunday to you. It's such a beautiful day today, and I hope that your day is just amazing. Most of you know that I have moved to be closer to Shonda, so in today's video I'm going to share with you my house that I moved out of. It is now empty, but I'm going to put a little bit of a spin on it. I'm going to show you what it looks like presently empty, and then we're going to do a little bit of a flashback, and I'll show you what the rooms looked like when I was living there. So I hope that you'll enjoy our video, and as always, you make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. And thanks so much for watching. And so you just saw the room empty, and here it is furnished. This was actually just this past fall 2021, and this is how I had the living room decorated. Alright, let's continue our empty house tour. This is how it presently looks in the kitchen area. I didn't do too much in here as far as staging. I just put together a beautiful little floral arrangement. And I must confess, y'all, I do miss my black kitchen. And this kitchen decor was actually this time last year. This is how I had it decorated, and I absolutely love this. The bunny actually made the move with me, and I have him displayed on my countertop here now in my new house. And now as we look here in the dining area, this came about more towards the end of the summer last year. I got all new furniture, and I do believe that it was right before the fall season. And now, friends, we're going to head on down the stairs and go into the family room. This is how it looks presently as it's ready for the market. And this room has a lot of memories for me and my family. We were actually living in this house for about 25 years, and I know it will be the same for a new family. Now, this was the look of my family room just this past fall, and I chose the burgundy color scheme, and y'all, I absolutely love that. This was actually my second year going with burgundy, so I'm gonna probably switch it up this year. But yes, fall 2021, this was my family room. Alright, leaving out of the family room, we're going to step right on into the sunroom. Now, I enjoyed my time that I spent here in this sunroom. I loved a lot of the details that I chose for this room, such as these barn doors. They were actually French doors, but we turned them into, the sliding barn doors. Absolutely loved that. And another thing that I really enjoyed was this beautiful ceiling fan. I did leave both there in the house for someone else to enjoy. But this was my sunroom for the fall of last year. This was fall 2021, my sunroom. But no worries, friends, my new sunroom is about 50% built, and I hope to be able to enjoy it pretty soon. Enjoyed that time out in the sunroom, and now we're going to come back across the family room and we are going to go into this downstairs bedroom. Now this house has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. So this was my guest bedroom, and I did share it on the channel more than once. When my son would come home, he would sleep here, but more often than not I had the opportunity to just keep this room kind of girly and pretty to look at, and it was really just for me. And here's a flashback of my former guest bedroom. I want to say this was how it looked end of summer going into fall. If not, then it was definitely fall of 2021. This room was actually just perfect as a guest bedroom because it has its own bathroom. So now we're going to go on into the bathroom. Now in my entire house, this is the only room that was painted with a color. My whole house was painted in a neutral color except this bathroom. I never had the heart to paint it because I love this color. I got it many years ago. It was part of the metallics collection at Lowe's. And so here it is when I had it fully decorated, and this was actually the only room in the house that still had that Tuscan flair. You know, Shonda and I, we feel like at heart we are Tuscan girls because we love rich colors, we love wrought iron and that kind of thing. So with this room, I never really changed it a whole lot, and I will say that before we moved, this was, you know, still the only room in the house that had that kind of Tuscan flair. And y'all, I still love that mirror to this day. I left it. It is still there at the house. I did not bring it with me. I hope that the next family will enjoy it as well as this beautiful sink. Now it is definitely my hope and prayer that we're going to find the right buyer, someone who will appreciate these details in this bathroom. I left it this color. I didn't paint it or anything. Now I don't remember ever sharing this bathroom when I lived here in the house. So what I'm sharing with you today is how I presently have it staged for the market. And I absolutely loved when I had my sunroom decorated in these colors here, the navy and the kind of citron green with the mixes of cream. So I just decided to pull those flowers out, and I made these little arrangements. You saw the first one down in the kitchen, and I used those colors there, and I just brought those same colors on up here into this bathroom. And then I don't have a shower curtain up, but I always enjoy the look of taking the curtain panels all the way up to the ceiling, and so that is exactly what we've done here. I hope that it will work well for me, you know, as far as when the house is listed. And now we're going to come on out of here and go into this room, which is a room that I did not share a whole lot here on our channel. This is actually the master bedroom. Now I love this room. It was always so cozy and comfy, and this is the decor that I had in there last fall. Y'all be on the lookout. I'm gonna make a follow-up video to this one, and we're gonna talk about a lot of the changes and upgrades that I made to this house over the 25 years that I was there. And I hope that those are things that are gonna get it sold. Again, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next one.